Welcome to Technoland Expert. Stay with our channel, you will get all source code for this types of website. In today's hyperdigital business environment, having a website is not just a marketing option, it is an absolute necessity for brand survival, customer engagement, and long-term growth. A professional website acts as the central hub for your brand's identity, communication, and marketing efforts, enabling businesses of all sizes to compete effectively in both local and global markets. There are at least 10 powerful marketing benefits of having a website that make it indispensable in the modern business landscape. First, a website establishes credibility and professionalism, serving as a virtual storefront where potential customers can explore your products, services, and values. In a world where 81% of consumers research online before making a purchase, a well-designed website signals legitimacy and trustworthiness, which builds consumer confidence and helps to convert leads into paying clients. Businesses without a website often appear outdated or unreliable compared to competitors who maintain a polished digital presence. Second, a website ensures 24/7 availability and accessibility, meaning your business is always open to customers, whether it's 3 a.m. or a public holiday. This constant accessibility allows visitors from different time zones to browse, make inquiries, or even purchase products instantly through integrated e-commerce or booking systems, vastly extending your market reach and customer base. Third, it provides a cost-effective marketing platform compared to traditional advertising channels like print, radio, or television. With the power of search engine optimization, SEO, social media integration, and pay-per-click (PPC) campaigns, even small businesses can promote themselves globally at a fraction of the cost, while continuously measuring performance through analytics tools. The cost of maintaining a website is far lower than running physical advertisements, yet the impact can be exponentially greater when the site ranks high on Google or gains viral traction through content marketing. Fourth, a website enhances brand visibility and awareness by making your company discoverable to online users searching for related products or services. Through strategic use of keywords, content marketing, and SEO tactics, you can position your website on search engines like Google, ensuring your business appears to those actively looking for what you offer. This kind of organic exposure builds brand recognition over time, allowing you to stand out in a crowded digital marketplace. Fifth, a website helps with lead generation and conversion, turning casual visitors into potential customers using landing pages, lead magnets, contact forms, and call-to-action buttons. Whether it's a newsletter subscription, a free consultation, or a downloadable ebook, every visitor can be nurtured into a loyal client. Thanks for watching.